So what female reproductive system consists of? The female reproductive system consists of paired ovaries, accessory ducts. The ducts are the oviduct, you know that, fallopian tube on both sides, that is why the number is 2. A sac-like structure, inverted pear shape, uterus, vagina, also cervix. You will find here cervix also. And then we will discuss about external genitalia, like it consists of vestibular part, then mons pubis, hymen, clitoris, etc. Okay. The lastly we will be discussing about the accessory glands. Okay. So let's begin with this female reproductive system. And first is primary sex organ. They are responsible for the formation of gamete as well as hormones. So the primary sex organ in case of female is ovaries. The ovaries are found in pair. Ovaries are almond shaped, not hollow. It is solid. The color is grayish pink, and it is located kahan pe? Inside the abdominal cavity, or you can say in the pelvic cavity. What is the size of each ovary? 2 to 4 centimeter length, 1.5 centimeter width, and 1 centimeter thick. This is the little detail about the ovary. You can see here they have drawn very. This is what? An ovary. A pair of ovaries are found in a human female. So what if you dissect the ovary, what will you see? So basically, anatomically, the ovary is divided into 4 parts. The number 1 part, the outermost layer, is the germinal epithelium. Inner to this layer we will find tunica albuginea, and third part is central part, that is ovarian, sorry, not central part, that is ovarian medulla, and the last, the cortex part, is known as ovarian cortex or ovarian stroma. So when we draw the ovary, we find this 4 layer. Let's suppose this is the ovary. This layer will be the germinal epithelium, the outermost layer. Inner to this will be the tunica albuginea, and the central portion into which the blood vessels, here you can see the blood vessels, arteries and veins. This portion is known as medulla. The outer layer of this medulla is known as cortex, this one, and is consist of matrix known as stroma. So this germinal epithelium is composed of, remember this, is composed of simple cuboidal epithelium. So these germinal epithelium will give rise to oogonia, that on further division will become ova. Clear? The color of ovary is grayish pink. The pink is due to the blood, and the gray color is given by the tunica albuginea. Clear? So tunica albuginea give gray color to ovary. Clear here?